From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A very good Monday evening to you, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate here with your CNET forecast. We're starting off with a look at our Beaver Stadium time lapse, starting off at about 9:20 this evening. Light to moderate snow across central Pennsylvania, and it continued as fairly light snow, a little bit of sleet and freezing rain mixed in as we headed through the overnight hours. And then as the sun started to come up, we were greeted with a fairly cloudy day and fairly uniform snow coating as we look out over Jeffrey Field at some of the neighboring athletic fields. You also notice as we look at Mount Nittany, some low cloud cover just below the summit of the mountain. So it actually hampered visibility here in State College for a little while, although thankfully that is improving, as are the conditions across the rest of the board. We're up to 34 degrees now here in State College, and it does feel like 34 because the winds have died down, so our wind chill has gone back up. Visibility now up to 4 miles. Temperatures around the rest of central Pennsylvania generally confined to the mid-30s. Altoona's at 37, Selinsgrove at 38. Johnstown, they're clinging on to that freezing mark for dear life, though they will nudge up a degree or two as we head through the rest of the day. And Harrisburg is our warm spot in the state right now. They're checking in at 40 degrees. Philadelphia only at 38. On a radar and satellite loop over central Pennsylvania shows that snow changing over to rain in many areas. It's pushing its way out of Center County and will continue to do so over the next several hours. Snow is changing over to rain mainly along and west of US 219 now. Pittsburgh is going to be seeing some very cold, ugly, wet, really cold rain showers over the next couple of days. Really not a pleasant day to be outside. Snow is still in the northeastern corner of the state. All of that associated with a low pressure system that is centered just off of Long Island, and it's going to hang around for a little while longer and bring us, well, maybe a chance for another snow flurry as we head into the night tonight. Here's future weather showing a little bit of snow and mixed precipitation down towards Johnstown. That's eventually going to rotate its way out of the state. And as we start the day on Tuesday, we're going to be under a mix of sun and clouds as you head out to classes and to your morning work schedules. Those clouds are going to become more widespread, and I can't rule out the possibility we see a little bit of a flurry or two Tuesday evening here in central Pennsylvania. It's not going to be very impactful, and I don't really expect any accumulation from this, so thankfully it's just going to be just something to look at. Should be a fairly pretty system. And as we head into the day on Wednesday, a little bit of a lake effect system sets up. Notice some of the winds coming directly out of the west across Lake Erie. That's exactly what we want to see if we want to see lake effect snow, though this time it should mainly be confined to the northern tier. Bradford may pick up about a ½ inch to an inch of snow. And as we head into the rest of Wednesday, the winds are going to change. It's going to become more of a northwest wind, which is exactly what we need to see some of those lake effect flurries here in State College, and that's exactly what we may see as we head overnight Wednesday into Thursday. Thursday, the clouds are going to clear out, and it's going to be a fairly nice day under a mix of sun and clouds for the majority of the day. Tonight, though, 23 degrees under a mostly cloudy sky. Winds will be out of the north 5 to 10 miles an hour. It is going to feel closer to 20, if not the upper teens, so definitely scarf, hat, and gloves are going to be in order tonight. And as we head into the day tomorrow, only around 35 degrees under generally overcast skies. Can't rule out the possibility we see a peak of sun here or there. Winds are eventually going to be dying down, though we can't rule out a couple of gusts up to 25 miles an hour at times. And then the rest of your 7-day forecast keeps us cool and cloudy for Wednesday. We see a little bit more sun on Thursday before the clouds are back on Friday. Saturday, we do see some sun under a partly cloudy sky with temperatures warming to around 36 degrees, but that's going to be fairly short-lived as our next system moves in Sunday into Monday. Temperatures are going to be on the increase in advance of our next rainmaker arriving on Monday. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great evening.